welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Madison, and if not, welcome back. It's probably really loud because we are at Pop Century 50s rooms just by the pool, but we've got a pool view room and I'm gonna give you a room tour. Let's go. So we are room 2202 in the 50s buildings. If you look out the window, there is a pool here, the 50s pool, and then just at the lake you can kind of see the Skyliner going by there, or at least you can see the shadows of them. So that's the view. Wasn't too bad. And they're doing the face mask spiel. So let's go in. So this is one of the newly refurbished Pop Century rooms, which you can see is nice and spacious here and newly done. So it is a queen bed, and then here just in the middle of the room you have the pull down bed as well, which we won't even really need for this trip. So it's nice when it's up, because when it is up you have a table with 2 chairs that's perfect for just a little bit of storage. And then in the corner here you also have a floating shelf, which is really neat, and 2 outlets and 2 USB ports there. I will say right off the bat, this room is great for outlets and USB ports, so if you're charging stuff, this is a good place to be. Obviously really backlit, but you just have the view there. And then if we turn around, we have a little kitchenette area, not even a kitchenette, just like a mini bar. So you've got your ice bucket and you've got some cups just there, more outlets, and a light switch as well. And then you've got your little, it's not a Keurig, but like a Cuisinart small coffee brewer. And you've got some coffee from Joffrey's and some tea here, as well as some creamer. And then just at the bottom we have a little mini fridge. And then here you also have a clothes horse, so if you need to dry anything or if you need to pop your suitcase on top, you can do that. They also have recycling and bins, so that's handy. And then again, you've got more outlets down here. Like I said, absolutely plenty of outlet space. If we go over to the cabinet and the TV, you've got your classic Walt Disney World channel here, and then you've got plenty of cabinet space. So these 3 drawers all pull out, and they're not too deep, but there's plenty of space really there. And then under here, you also have your safe, and you have the extra pillow and bedding for the pull down Murphy bed. Then on top, again, as I've been saying, you've got 2 USB ports and 2 outlets there, and then 2 USB ports and 2 outlets there. They've also given us a guide, and then for COVID purposes, they have wrapped up the TV remote there, so that's nice and clean for us. And then turning, obviously, we have the big bed, and we have the artwork that is so classic of this resort. I love this artwork here. I get really excited whenever I see people staying in these rooms. And then on the side of the bed, you've got more floating shelves. I think these are really cool. They're really practical because you can kind of fit a suitcase or something underneath, and then some stuff in the shelves. You've got the phone and 2 outlets and 2 USB ports. And then if we come along to the other side of the bed, same situation, floating shelf, 2 outlets, 2 USB ports, and a switch to turn the bedside lights off. And then you've just got a bathroom space here. If you hear any noises, it's because this room, there's somebody on that side and there's somebody on the other side of the bathroom, and you can hear a lot. So it's quite loud actually, which is definitely a downside. But we've got our ears up there. Hello, it's me. So right into the bathroom, you've got a small closet space, which is really nice. You can put shoes on the shelves down there. And then you have a handful of hangers as well, with some with clips. And then just around from that, gotta back up here so you can see everything, but we've got the ironing board there, and then you've got really plenty of shelf space in this bathroom. You've got 2 shelves, you've got a cabinet here, and that's got the hairdresser, who am I kidding? The hair dryer and the iron in there. So that is nice and handy. You've got some face towels here, and then more shelf space down here. So really for your bathroom needs, you can fit more than enough that you would probably need for a trip. And then you just have your sink, your big mirror, and then these mirrors that I hate because they show me way too much myself. And again, 2 outlets and a switch. And then lastly, we just have the toilet space here. So if you walk in, you've got standard toilet and towel rack. You've got your big towels and you've got your small towels. And then again, just a little bin down by the toilet. And this is one of those sliding doors that just pulls right out, which is nice. And then on the other side, you've got more towel racks and a hook that you can dry stuff on as well. And then into the shower, they're actually using the reusable H2O bottles. So you've got the conditioner, the body wash, and the shampoo there. And then they just fill them up and clean them between stays. You've got a nice little shelf, so if you have a razor or something there. And then we love a rainforest shower. So we've got that traditional shower head as well. And then you've got the drying line there that you can pull across. And it's a nice deep tub there for you. I will say one of the things I really like is when you have the sliding door to the bathroom, because somebody can be doing their makeup and somebody else can be going to the bathroom or showering if you need it. But that is the whole of the room. So if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy it. And if you're staying at Pop Century anytime soon, hey Kens. I hope you have a great stay. This is a really great resort. We love it so far. It's my first time here. Ken's second time, and she's a big fan. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more, and I will see you real soon. Bye!